really spacious. Like I can get in this closet. It's gonna get dark, but like, let me show you guys. Like, see, like I'm in the closet. See. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my empty apartment tour. I literally just got off of a flight, so like, you know, I look a little bunny, but whatever. I'm gonna show you guys the entire apartment. It's a studio, so not really much to see, but bathroom, kitchen, living area, closet, all of that. So let's go ahead and get started. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So guys, when you first walk in, like as you guys saw, so here's the door. There's the door, so interesting. And then we have cabinets. I really wanted white cabinets. It's a little dark in here. Like, she said that the lights get lighter or brighter as the day goes on. I don't know, there's some type of like energy saving lights. But anyways, here's the cabinets. I feel like this one is where I'll put like my seasonings and stuff. Oh, okay. Let's add that to the list of things that need to be fixed. These are bigger. So it does have like storage space or whatever. I have a microwave. Here's my sink. I've never saw this apartment before. Like, you guys are seeing this apartment with me for the first time. Granted, I did visit this, but I didn't actually look at this particular apartment. I only saw this one on FaceTime. So another cool thing about the kitchen though, is that so they have these built in, as you can see. But then also this is like automatic. So let me show you. See how that? Pretty cool. And then you have like this built in as well. And then after that, you have like a cutting board right here. So I can like take the cutting board out and do that. And then of course you have a dishwasher. I never use a dishwasher like ever. So good to have, but I don't use it. I have my laptop here because I'm doing some work, but that's the counter. This is like the stove top, the oven, like I said, microwave. And then, so let me show you guys like how it's kind of set up. So like you said, you have the door right there. Then you have the kitchen. It has like light, kind of like light brown gray flooring. I don't know if you guys can tell. But so if you're in the kitchen, and then you're like, the door's right there. Oh, and then here's the refrigerator. Just like simple, you know, freezer, refrigerator, nothing special. Then, but if you go to this side, you have the bathroom. I will say I love this bathroom, like love this bathroom. So it has an entire wall with a mirror. Am I saying that right? The mirror covers up the entire wall. So there's that. I just washed my face, so ignore the water on the counter, but here's like the sink and stuff. Everything works. Here are I haven't opened this yet, so there's like under the sink, like some storage space or whatever. I don't think that doesn't open, that's just for decoration. So that, then you have the toilet to flush is on like the top. Then over here, I love this bathtub. So you see you have like the shower thing. It's like that type of shower, I don't know, what is that called? I can't think of anything today. That type of shower thing. And then you have the bathtub. This is like a huge bathtub. I really want to get in it, but I haven't cleaned it yet, so I'm not even gonna show you guys, but I'm pretty sure I can fit in there. So that's the bathtub. Let me kind of like scoot back so you guys can completely see. And then let me give you like a full view. So if I step out, you see you have like mirror on this side, and then that on that side. So yeah, that's the bathroom. This is actually a pretty big bathroom too. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell from the floor, but it's like a pretty decent bathroom. I don't know how many square feet this is. I'll put it in like the description down below. I'll look it up. But I mean, pretty decent size. So then you come out of the bathroom and you have your washer and dryer here, like a stackable washer and dryer. I like this one because it actually has like real space for me to put stuff up here. In my last apartment, it was so like tight, my like detergent would always fall. So yeah, and then I'll probably get like a little thing right here to put like my broom and all of that. So that's that. Then you have the Nest here. I think this is what this is called, right? So yeah, I can like adjust my, and I think I can do it from my phone too. I just have to set it up. So that's that. And then let me show you guys from this angle. So if you're here, like you're walking in, you're in the kitchen, then you go right here, you have your living area. So in the living area, if you turn this way, you have your closet. I just have like my bag in there, so ignore that. But you have a closet here. This closet may seem small, but it actually is really spacious. Like I can get in this closet. It's gonna get dark, but like, let me show you guys. Like see, like I'm in the closet. See? So like, I mean, pretty decent size. I think I can even feel like a dress in here, I'm pretty sure. Like see, like it's pretty decent. Pretty sure I can fit a dresser in there. And then it has like space up here for my shoes and stuff. I'll probably get some extra like storage for my shoes, but pretty decent closet. Let me show you guys from like the outside. Let me do the door so I can show you guys like what it looks like. So let's see, close the doors like that. And then if you scoop back, looks like this. So like pretty decent size, I mean, good enough, I guess. And then we have this wall over here. What I'm thinking is I'm gonna do like my, I don't know, maybe like a desk right here is what I'm thinking. Like a desk right here, and then maybe put like my TV right here on top of a dresser. So therefore I have like extra space for my clothes too. I don't know, there's something in this corner here. I don't like empty space, but I do want this apartment to be minimalist. It's been a long day. Minimalist, but like, I don't know. I don't like empty spaces, so it's kind of weird. My style is kind of weird. But then you have this wall over here. I think on this wall, of course, I'll have my bed right here. That's what I think, like not so close to the closet, but like bed right here. So picture that. And then right here, you'll have your couch. That's what I'm thinking. I really don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna do like a furnished apartment tour. I'm gonna show you guys as I'm shopping and everything. So we'll see. But that's what I'm thinking for now. Then let me show you guys my balcony. If you follow me on Instagram, which if you don't, you should. But if you follow me on Instagram, you know I was like having an internal battle about whether I could do without a balcony, and I decided I could not. So here's my balcony. This balcony is huge, as you guys can see. I don't want to get anybody on camera because like you can see people through the glass, but I also have a pool view. Like I love this. So, and then like, if you guys can see from this side, I don't want to lock myself out, but if you guys can see from this side, this is what it looks like. So, and then if you walk back in through here, you'll see like the entire apartment. And then like from this end, I'll show you guys again. It just looks like this. And I can put those blinds down, like I can pull these down with this, so you guys can like see. So I think if I go like that, yeah, you can like pull them up and down. So like if I wanted it to be darker in here, I could do that. So, and then that one over there is separate. So yeah, this is my apartment. This is a studio. My first time living in a studio. It's kind of like going backwards, but I don't know, it's cute. So we'll see how this goes. So yeah guys, that's the entire apartment. Not really much to see. Like I said, it is a studio, but I do love this. I love like this, like, I don't know, I love the vibe of this apartment. So of course, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Look forward to some more videos about my law school journey, obviously, about me decorating, about my life, about everything. But yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye y'all.